I've been exploring the Beem Cash Advance app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. Beem is a mobile banking app designed for people who want quick access to extra cash, help building credit, and some automated tools to manage their money day to day. It combines cash advances, a checking account, and AI assistance, so users can handle short-term gaps in income while trying to improve their overall financial picture. At its core, Beem offers instant cash advances through a feature called Overdraft, which lets you access up to $1,000 of your verified incoming deposits, often within minutes. There is no interest, no traditional due date, and no credit check, which makes it appealing for users who need to bridge a tight spot before payday without taking on a formal loan. Standard transfers are free, while instant transfers come with an extra fee, so it can be useful for both planned and emergency situations depending on how urgently you need the funds. However, it is not without flaws. With any cash advance service, there is always the risk of relying too heavily on advances and feeling stuck in a cycle of needing early access to incoming funds, especially if income is unstable. While Beem does not charge interest on advances and avoids typical payday loan structures, optional instant transfer fees and subscription plans for premium features still mean costs can add up over time for frequent users. Overall, Beem is a solid choice if you value quick access to cash advances, want to build credit through everyday spending, and like the idea of AI tools helping you find savings and manage your budget. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.